Hunger Festivities. Pasta of chaos. I'm getting pretty good at pasta, but I haven't upgraded it completely. And I'm expecting some kind of weird ass shit from this. Can I how do you unlock it? Click genuine unlock. For 8 tickets. So you, okay. I'm assuming since I've unlocked the event now, I won't have to unlock it again. Let's try it. Not sure what to expect. Pasta of chaos. Pasta, when done correctly, should be a feast for all who dine upon it, no matter what their status class might be. I know you can make delicious pasta, but I want to see all the recipes you know, and I want it done perfectly. 26 to go. Okay, let's try it. Proper, like, end of the world pasta making here. So all the different recipes I'm assuming. Bring it on, bring it on. Get one wrong and you're fucked though. It's gonna get harder after I've done all of these before. So they're gonna get harder. I'm not gonna be able to guess, or I won't know what you actually have to click. Peppers, mushrooms, I'm gonna misclick at some point. It's gonna fuck me up. No, I clicked spices instead of ices. I forgot spices are an I and not S. Red pepper. What? 3 Just gonna wait and just plan this out accordingly. And then and there we go. That wasn't that difficult, to be honest. It's just if you misclick something, you've messed it up and you have to start over again. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, it wasn't that bad. It's just, you have to just plan when you boil things, basically. You are truly a force to contend with, but I want to see more of your cooking skills. Challenge successful. You don't get anything for doing it? No, okay then. So that was a complete a mystery tournament challenge. So we've got that one down. Still need to get the Iron Cook finale to finish that one off. New challenge approaches from the Hunger Festivities. Temple of, let's go check that out. Extra events, Hunger Festivities. The doomed pizza, oh my god. Pizza of doom. Doom 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 doom. What's this for something? Pizza was once a food for the gods, but has since been relegated to cheap, greasy shamefulness. I want to see you take on all of the pizza recipes you know, and I want them done perfectly. Put the glory back in the pizza. Yes, okay, let's go. 36, oh my god. I'm not that good at pizza, not gonna lie. So this is gonna be horrible. You can't get one wrong either, because then you have to start over. It's horrible. Sausage. Cheese and anchovies is a pineapple is pineapple. Onions and pineapple. Is mushroom is and pineapple. And everything but diced tomatoes. Cheese, pepperoni, and then bacon. Cherries, ham, what the fuck, mushrooms, viz, onions, and pineapple. Cheese, pepperoni, tomatoes. Tomatoes is O. Fine. Cheese, and cherries, ham, mushrooms. Cheese, tomatoes. Pesto sauce. What the fuck is pesto sauce? It's G? Okay, I failed there. U-V-N-I-O. Fuck. Viz, onions, tomatoes. 7 is done, 8 is done. I think I made it. I think I made it. Yeah, we got it. Sweet. The potato. I was about to say the potato of doom. The pizza of doom has been completed. You are truly a force to contend with, but I want to see more of your cooking skills. That one was kind of close at the end there because mainly the ones that messed me up are the the give me everything except this or give me everything ones, because they don't give me a list of what they want, so I need to look in the list of everything that is there. That's the only thing that kind of messes me up. But I made it. I only had to do that one twice as well. Okay, so I'm trying something called a shoulder cam right now. It's gonna be interesting. Season. Okay. Not sure how well it's gonna work, but bear with me. Season, bacon, Lacey Ellenthorpe would like to dine at your eating establishment today, where she will be eating 3 of your meals spanning from 7 p.m. through 4 p.m. She requests that you have the following items on the menu: burger, chicken, nachos, and fish. Fucking VIPs. They're always like, I want your chicken. At least they're not ordering nachos. Ah, yeah, perfect day. Yeah. A new challenge approaches. A new Hunger Festivities challenge has opened up. Nachos of hell! Oh my god. I hate nachos in general. Looking for 8 tickets. Oh my god, what am I getting myself into? Nachos from hell! Nachos are deceptively simple to make, and may seem like a cheap food to many, but the line between greasy, cheap nachos to nachos that are fit for a king is so small that only a few cooks can pull it off. Show me that you know, and do it perfectly. Really, really American accent right there, but yeah. Let's go. Meat! Need meat in your nachos. I need to train a little bit more, I think. The bowl of chips, nothing on it. Okay. Meat. Ice. No, it's not. Shrimp is as meat and is fajitas. Beef fajitas. I think that was fajitas. Chicken fajitas is chicken. Beans and fajitas. Chicken. Chicken and fajitas. Fajitas. I like that word. Chicken and fajitas. Onions, beans, chicken and fajitas. Chicken and fajitas. Green, onions, beans, chicken and fajitas. With shrimp. Beans, rice, chicken and beef. Ground beef, chicken and beef. Time to go. Kicking chicken. It's still kicking. It's still alive. Mullen, potatoes, chicken, potatoes, and meat. Tomato, lives, onions, rice, chicken, and shrimp. Okay. Ground meat, shrimp, chicken, and beef. Beef potatoes, and ground meat. These are the last ones. I need to get these right. Queso, beans, chicken, beef, and meat. Queso, beans, beef, meat. Meat, shrimp, chicken, beef. Oh my god, everything. You're living on the edge, dude. It's gonna be a meat fiesta. One of everything, please. So that's that one, 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 that one. Yeah, we got it. That was the first try as well. No, it's second try. I think it was second. Yeah, second try. Same as pizza. No, not bad. Not bad to be honest. That's all of those so far. I still haven't gotten the final in Iron Cook Chef though thing, and I need that for like 4 stars, 5 stars I mean. I only have 8 more days. I'll get 1 more safety inspection within that time, and then I need to win the Iron Cook Chef challenge finale thing. Melissa wants to date. I have a baked potato addiction. Please date me if you make good potatoes. Let's eat potatoes today, and we'll have fun. Please, if you don't have potatoes, don't waste my time. I don't know if I don't have potatoes. I've never made a potato in my life, so I'll buy those. Let's try them out as well. Don't want to embarrass myself in front of my date. So baked potato is the only food in the game that requires you to cook before preparing. No, it's not. You need lobster as well. Okay, so butter it's yodder, hives, and bacon. I'll figure it out. It should be fine.